Hello friends, in this video we will talk about digestion and absorption of lipids and the digestive disorders. So first digestion, absorption and then applied aspect. So lipids will be metabolized in the body by lipase. So what is the enzyme that is going to metabolize the lipids? Lipase. Okay. So three stages of emulsification. Okay. Detergent action coming to the bile salts, surfactant action of the broken lipids, mechanical mixing in peristalsis. What is peristalsis? Movement of the food in the this one in the esophagus. Okay. Let's see first before that the cleavage of the dietary fat. Fats are mainly triglycerides present in the adipocytes. So in the adipocytes, okay, there is an action of the pancreatic lipase. So by the action of lipase, it breaks down into MAG, monoacyl glycerol and free fatty acids. So TAG breaks into MAG, monoacyl glycerol and free fatty acids. Now first the detergent action, let us see. So what is happening is the fat by action on the bile salts, it will break down into small droplets or the chylomicrons or the emulsified droplets you can say. Okay, you can see that here. Now this is the formation of bile salts. I told you in cholesterol metabolism, there is a catabolism of cholesterol, okay, leading to the bile salts formation. Okay, you're seeing this. Okay, so the surfactant action, let us see. So the catabolized products of lipids promote emulsification. What do I mean by this statement? That is the free fatty acids, the monoacyl glycerols, these promote the surfactant action along with phospholipids. Now in peristalsis, just the metabolism of lipids. It will help the lipids to metabolize in the body. Just remember this much. Let's see the physiologically important lipases. We have the lingual, pancreatic with colipase, then intestinal, PPL-A2, phospholipase A2, LPP lipase or lipoprotein lipase, and HSL, hormone sensitive lipase. So lingual, please remember lingual means tongue. Okay, that is the mouth. Okay, mouth means when we chew, when we eat butter. Okay, what happens? So what the preferred substrates you are seeing, most of them it will be the triglycerides only. Here we'll have short chain fatty acids. And please remember, generally the breakdown product of any acyl glycerol will be free fatty acids and its reduced unit, that is the diacyl glycerol. This will be common for all of them. This will be little exception, phospholipase A2, I'll tell you in a moment. Okay, so pancreatic will be in the intestine, pancreas. So remember these three. These three will be in the intestine. Here we can add pancreas extra. Here long chain fatty acids will be there. Okay. And intestinal. Okay. Here medium chain fatty acids. For phospholipase A2, here phospholipids with unsaturated fatty acids. Here lysolecithin, that is LCAT. Here LCAT metabolism will help. Just remember LCAT, very easy. Then LPP lipase in the capillary blood vessels. In the blood vessels, you are seeing the LPP lipase. Here triglycerides with the chylomicrons or VLDL, and HSL in the adipocyte. Okay, and as I have told you in this reaction, this thing, monoacyl glycerol free fatty acid, same. Next, overview of the digestion of the lipids. Okay, so what is happening in the mouth? We have triglycerides, phospholipids, cholesterol ester. Triglycerides, I told you, breaking down into free fatty acids, monoacyl glycerol. Phospholipids forming the glycerol. Cholesterol ester. Please remember the LCAT reaction I told you in cholesterol metabolism. It will be easy. So cholesterol will get. Here triglycerides through lipase, phospholipids, phospholipase A2, cholesterol ester, cholesterol esterase. Here unchanged, does not happen in stomach because of low pH. Now let us see with absorption of lipids by the intestine. What is happening? We have the bile salt here. It will be combining with monosyl glycerol, FFA, cholesterol, PPL. All this will combine and form a mixed micelle. Very colorful, you can see here. And this in the intestine will be dissociated like this. Okay. Let's see with the in the details. So we have the fatty acids, long chain and short chain. Short chain will go as it is compared to long chain. So long chain will undergo beta oxidation. I told you in beta oxidation we'll get fatty acyl CoA. Okay. Then monosyl glycerol. Okay, that will become into tri. Mono becomes tri. Okay. And cholesterol through LCAT. Through LCAT we'll get cholesterol ester. Okay. All this cholesterol ester, TAG, acyl CoA, phospholipid, apolipoprotein, all this combined with chylomicrons. Now what is happening with the short chain fatty acids? Through the portal veins it enters the liver. Liver is supplied by portal veins, please remember. So it will get metabolized in the portal veins. So if we go back to the previous diagram, here we saw all this, right? Now this one enters the blood, from the blood into the tissues. So there is a LDL which is happening. HDL will be reverse cholesterol transport, that is peripheral tissues to the blood. Reverse will be HDL. LDL mechanism. Now applied aspect, we will discuss about steatorrhea and gallstone disease. Steatorrhea, fatty stools. So fatty stools will be seen, mainly you can see in the biliary obstruction. Please remember, main reason for steatorrhea and gallstone disease is bile salts only. That's all. Okay. And gallstone disease is very common in females and there is a defect in the bile secretion. Please remember steatorrhea and gallstone disease. So references from where I took the pictures. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.